Hello, I was asked to look into building a solar-powered battery recharging tree, and I had some ideas on how to build it, but before I started, I decided to try to model it in 3D first so I could get an idea of what it might look like. I really like 3D puzzles, and I decided that it might be fun to try to build a tree out of pieces of plywood that were cut into puzzle pieces in order to fit together. So I started by drawing some tree shapes onto some 4x8 sheets of plywood. First, three main pieces make up the trunk of the tree. I decided to hold them together by creating round discs that act like little shelves on the trunk. There will be slots cut in the discs that will fit into slots cut on the three trunk pieces. Then I was going to add branches off of the main trunk using a similar method with smaller little round discs to hold the pieces together. Next, I wanted to build the solar-powered leaves. I started with one solar cell and then kind of arranged them like they were leaves sticking off of twigs. And I thought that we'd make the twigs either out of sheets of copper sandwiched between plastic or maybe just stiff wire going to each of the solar cells. We also need to be able to place battery packs on the trees. I was trying to decide between having people take individual batteries out or just making it so that you could hang the 4-pack batteries directly on the tree. Maybe you could hang them by the little nails onto wire loops or such. Now back to the tree. Here I'm showing some of the solar twigs being attached and then the battery packs being added on. I didn't complete the tree because I just wanted to show the idea. A tree like this will take a lot of space, and indoors it'll probably take at least 60 individual leaves in order to quick charge every battery pack. That's a lot of leaves. So I need to know, is this something that I should build? Don't worry about hurting my feelings. I enjoyed making this in SketchUp. Maybe it would be better to have a 2D tree up against the wall, and maybe we should abandon the idea of doing solar power. Even though it's kind of neat, it's not exactly practical.